Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.